In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Microsoft Copilot Sidebar on your Windows 10 desktop. This is a quick and simple setup, and once it's turned on, you'll be able to open Copilot directly from your desktop whenever you need it. Before we begin, it's a good idea to make sure both Windows 10 and Microsoft Edge are fully updated, because the Copilot button may not appear if your system is out of date. Start by clicking on the Start menu and opening Windows Settings. This is where you'll access the main system options needed for the setup. Once you're in Settings, select Update and Security. From there, click Check for Updates. Give Windows a moment to search for any available updates and install them if needed. Running the latest version of Windows 10 helps ensure that all supported desktop features are available and working correctly. Next, open the Microsoft Edge browser. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu, then go to Help and Feedback and choose About Microsoft Edge. This page will automatically check whether your browser is up to date. If an update is available, let it finish installing. Keeping Edge updated is important because Copilot is tied closely to Microsoft's browser and web-based features. After that, move down to your taskbar at the bottom of the screen and right-click on any empty area. This opens the taskbar context menu where you can control which buttons and shortcuts are visible. In that menu, look for the option that says Show Copilot button. Click it so that a checkmark appears next to it. That checkmark confirms the option has been enabled and that Windows should now display the Copilot shortcut on your taskbar. Now, take a look across your taskbar for the new Copilot icon. In most cases, it will appear near the search bar or closer to the notification area, depending on your layout and taskbar settings. To open Copilot, simply click the new icon. You can also use the keyboard shortcut by pressing the Windows key and the letter C at the same time. Either method will instantly open the Copilot sidebar on your desktop, giving you quick access whenever you want to use it. And that's it. You're now all set to use Microsoft Copilot right from your Windows 10 desktop. Thanks for watching and enjoy using AI on your PC.